Hi everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Oge, and you can also call me the Femi Trader. And today I just want to show, this is purely beginner introduction. The last time I had introduced Forex education to you, what Forex means, so you have a better understanding on what to do and how to do it, what people are talking about, what you hear about Forex, but then you don't know what Forex is. So if you have not seen that video, please go watch it. I'm going to leave a link so you can watch it and understand. And the next phase today is we will be talking about, I will be showing you how to set up your trading view. Okay, because this app is what we use to analyze our charts. Okay, so TradingView is a must for every Forex trader because you get to analyze your chart using the app. Another app that is important to note is the Forex Factory. On there, we used to the news are being released, and there are other apps as well, but then this is what I use, Forex Factory. And you can use Baby Peeps as well, but then just go to the calendar so you can get to know what news is going to be released and what time the news will be released. That will help you a lot, so you don't just assume and go into trading not knowing that a particular news will affect the your trade for that week or for that day. Okay, so I'll take you on to the trading view right now so I can show you how to set it up so you can start analyzing your chart. All right, so if you're just watching my video for the first time, please do well to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. Let me know where you're watching me from, and I would also want to welcome you, and let's see how this will go. Okay, so when you go on your trading view, when you go on your Google, you type trading view on here, and you select the first one right here. That's it, and it's going to take you to trading view. So because I already have an account, so that is why you can see my name here, right here. But then as a beginner, you don't know how to register. I'll just have to log out of my account. Let me see, Forex Trader, let me log out of my account. So I'm going to log out from my account. So I'm logging out now. Yeah. Okay. And let's just assume that this is a fresh one. Already logged out. Okay. So this is how it looks like. This is how it looks like. And when you click on TradingView, this is what you get. And you go to get started. Get started here. And you can create an account. So when you do sign in, okay, when you do sign in, you would have to after below. When you do sign in, then you can go and put in your email or information. Okay, so because you don't have an account yet, this is what you're going to do, sign up. You're going to do sign up for it. Once you click on sign up, this is what's going to come out. Then you can put your information on there. Okay, and you can create your account. So for the purpose of, okay, I'm just going to do this as a fresh, just so you see how it is. So when you sign up, then you would, I'm just going to go to see, when you sign up, it's going to take you to this place. Then you can go to the super chat. This is a default. This is how it's going to look by default, right? So you just want to start setting things up. So when you go on here, you can see all the symbols here. But then if you want to, first of all, you want to adjust all of this ones. For those who are using indicators, this way you can get indicators. But first of all, let me explain to you what these tools are. These tools right here, these tools are very, very important. So you want to understand these tools first of all. So, and this one also, if you want to market trend line, these are the trend lines on here. But let's not go there first of all. Let's arrange this one. So when you get here, you want to, what I do first of all is I go to the settings. You can see the settings right here. Okay, so there is a setting button on here, or you can just right click. So a setting button up there, yeah, or you can just right click and you see setting at the below button, and you just go setting, and you want to set up your body border and the wick. So what I do is I change this. You can leave it to any color you want. If you want blue, that's absolutely okay, but I just change this to like a black color. That's me. Like I said, you can leave it if you want, but this is how I change my one, just so I can see it clearly. Because sometimes some people don't like seeing the red and the red color. So just gonna leave it as blue and black. So I know my blue is bullish while my black is bearish. So if it's going up, it's bullish, and if it's coming down, it's bearish. Okay, and I want to take out this volume. This volume, this one, this red and under, I want to take it out. So I'll do remove so that my chart can be more cleaner. And I'm going to go again to the settings, and I would go to, so that's the symbol, and I'll go to the line. If I don't want all of this one, like these are the logo tied to chart, they are all here. This one's here. I can leave them, or I can take it out if I want, but I'm going to leave it. And all of these ones as well. Okay, I'm going to leave these ones. And the Canva, this is the background. If I want to change the background of this one, it is white. I can go here and change it to any color I want. Could be blue, could be black, but I'm just going to leave it as white. It could be red, anything you like, but then white is better. And also this graded, see, I can take it out if I don't want this graded grid line. I can take it out if I want as well. So if you take it out, look at it's better right now, right? Okay, so this cross here, this one is this thing that moves around. Yeah, moves around, but I want to leave it anyway. I like it, I'll leave it. And if you want a watermark, if you want a mark, you can leave it, or you can take it out. Okay, so when you look at the side on here, when you look at the side here, so this is the I'm just going to expand it so you can see. This is the currency. So this is indices. If you want to add any indices, forex, this is crypto, yeah, and you can pick in any one you want. And the way to select it, any pair you want, just go to the plus sign right here, and you can add the symbol. So if you want to add any stock, this is stock. If you want to add stock, you want to trade stock, here is it. You can see all the stock that have been traded on here. Yeah, if you want to do funds, these are the funds on here. If you want to do futures, these are futures here. These are futures here. If you want to do forex, these are forex on here, depending on what pair you want to trade. If you want to do crypto, this is crypto right here. And indices, same, bond, whatever, economic, and everything like that. Okay, so that's for this one. So you just have to select it. Just type anything. If you want euro, and let's say euro USD. Yeah, euro USD in forex, not that one. So this is it, and this one's right here by this side. Trickmill, FSCM, Orlando, forex.com. These ones are the brokers. So we're going to talk about the brokers very soon, maybe in my next video. And these are the brokers, because brokers are the middlemen. They are the middlemen, and you need to go through them to place your order. So if you want to start trading, you need to go through the brokers, and you need to be able to, you need to be ensure, you have to ensure that you sign up with a reliable trader. Okay, so like I said, we're going to go through on that about the brokers in my next video. Okay, so you can add anything. So just click on the plus sign and that's it. So that is for your watch list, whatever trade you want to place. And this one here is your alert. If you want to set an alert, you just want to click on it. You click on it and it's going to come, it's going to tell you what to do. So indicators, if you want to add indicators, here are the indicators. You can just type it. Okay, I read. You can just type whatever indicators you want. This one is the one I use, my favorite one, and that's why I put on favorite. But then if you want to do any one, so you can do any one you want. So moving average, I used to use that. These are my favorite anyway. I have selected them and I have put them as favorite. I use them once in a while. But then if you want to search, you can go ahead and search for any indicators that you want. Okay, so these ones are the time frame. These are the time frame. So I have favorite the time frames that I want to see, and that's why they are listed on here. So you can go to the daily, weekly, 4 hours, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 5 minutes, 1 minute, and you can just favorite them. So once you favorite them, it's going to appear here on your list. And the next part is the tools. These are the tools. So whichever tool that you want to see, right here, see, these are the tools here. You just need to come here and favorite them, this tab button. You favorite them and it's going to appear here. If you want to take them out of this one, you don't want anyone here, you just unclick, you just unfavorite, and it's going to disappear from here. Okay, and these are the FIP 2 and all the old tools here. So I don't use everything, some people do, but then I just favorite the ones I really need. Yep. And this is the long position and the short position if you want to buy and if you want to sell. So I favorite both of them. And this is my, I use this one sometimes as my premium and discount. And also I use it to sometimes to measure the lot size. So yeah, basically. Okay, so this is the highlighter. I use the highlighter as well. The triangles, if I want to mark my zone, my POI, point of interest, I use it. And this part as well, I use this part as well. So this is if I want to draw the chart, just like this. Why is it not marking? So this, okay. So I just use them. They're all here. And when you come to the text as well, so this one text, you can write text on your charts, and this one is also text, but this one follows you around. This one does not. So whatever you want to do, you can just do it. Okay. And every other ones, whatever you can just play along with it. These are the emotions. If you trade and you win, you can put this emotions emoji. So these are magnets. Maybe you're trying to mark a straight line using this too, and you don't want to miss. You want to mark from this one to this place. You can use this weak magnets too, and it's going to be straight down. And this one is the you want to remove. If you have drawn anything on your chart and you want to take them out, then you can use this one to remove it. Okay. And basically that is for the twos. Okay, so the alert as well, you can put in your alert. You can put in your alert here and it's going to tell you when the market gets to your position. That is for the alert. So these ones are the price, at the current price. So let's go to Euro USD. Let's see what happens here. I'll go to GPP. Here's the JPY. So these are the tools that I talked about. just gonna take this off so I can have a clear screen. Sorry guys, I've marked most of my, yeah, I know. I'm just going to select a new one so that I can have a clear screen for you guys for my explanation. Okay, so these are the tools right here by the side. Sorry, I had to switch. These are the tools right here by the side. So I mentioned the path. Let me see if I can use the path. Okay, so for example, I want to use the path and I want to mark this high. Yeah. Okay. I want to mark high. I can use the path. It's going to give me the markings. That's what the path is for. And if I want to put a long or short position here, I want to put it here. And to buy or sell, I can buy from here and target this low. Yeah, whatever thing I want. And so that is for the short position, and the long position is this one. Yeah, so I want to buy, and I want to put my stop loss right here, and I want to buy up until that side, and this is my long position. So if I want to take it out, I can use this eraser here. I can just take it out and that's it. If I want to undo, I can undo right here and it's going to come back. Okay, so let me take it out. And if I want to set up an alert, so here's my alert. So here's my alert, onset an alert, and I want to put the alert at a particular position, maybe somewhere here. Okay, so I would look at the number 147,500. I'll just change that one to 147,500, and I can do every time or once. So it's going to beep once, or it's going to beep every time it gets there. You can beep once or every time it gets there, and I'll just do create, and you can see the line. It will just generate there, and whenever market comes there, look at it there. Look at that line. So whenever market gets to that position, it's going to alert me and let me know it has arrived. Okay, so basically that is it for TradingView on how to set up your TradingView. So my next post, what I'll be doing is I'll be explaining to you guys how to read the news, forex calendar, how to read the news and what news you should focus on, the news that moves the market, what you should focus on. So basically, that's all you need to know about the chart, about the TradingView, how to set it up. Because if you don't know how to set your TradingView up, you will know how to analyze your charts. So in my next video, I will be showing you the Forex Factory and how to read the news. Then we can start trading together. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.